today for the Bitcoin price. And yes guys, you will not believe what I will show you in this video. I'm about to land. I was not planning to make a video. I was with this shitty Wi-Fi here on air actually surfing, and I found one specific news article about Bitcoin right now, which reveals the hidden agenda of some people. Let me talk about that. I want to talk about the prices as well. Bitcoin is in free fall mode. I personally think that a dead cat bounce, or a big bounce, at least to say, is coming very, very soon. I will talk about that later on. First of all, I wanted to talk about what's going on in the market. I know that most of you guys watching joined within the last 6 to 12 months. I lost 2 trades myself recently. You know, we had a crazy rocket ship towards the upside, like 12 successful trades in a row. This is a trader's life. Let's move forward and let's see where the Bitcoin price is going in the immediate short term. So first of all, you probably remember, before I'm going into these news articles, and I want to tell you, watch until the very end. You will not believe your eyes. Smash up the like button, by the way, if you want more of these videos on the sidelines, no matter where I am, no matter when I am. So now, you remember probably like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and also 4 weeks ago, I was covering this potential scenario for Bitcoin, and it's not that I predicted that. I told you it is a possible scenario, not the most probable one. But right now, Bitcoin is going directly into the footsteps of this most bearish, my personal most bearish scenario possible. You remember the Wyckoff accumulation pattern? I called it at 56,000 US dollars. I told you that according to this pattern, we go down to 41. Zigzag around and then eventually break it, go down to 30 to 34,000 US dollars. This was already playing out, and now the question is 30 to 34,000 US dollars already the end for Bitcoin? Well, let's talk about that. First of all, I want you to go here into the news, and I can show you this first of all. If you just type in Bitcoin on Google, you will see it yourself. It is a huge carnage going on, and I'm not talking about the price. I am talking about the mainstream media, guys. And if you are listening to them, whether it's good news or bad news, it is your own fault. I was telling you for a long time, don't listen to these people here. And now you can see, you remember probably like 3-4 years ago when JP Morgan, Jamie Dimon was saying, don't buy Bitcoin. Every employee of him who is in Bitcoin is getting fired. Then few months later, we found Bitcoin in their balance sheet in Sweden. And then a few months later, in the bull market, where it was very conventional to say that, they were all of a sudden very bullish about Bitcoin. And right now, 45 minutes ago, CNBC is breaking the news. Big institutional investors are dumping Bitcoin and going back into gold. And now listen to this, JP Morgan says. Guys, if you are still believing that, and if you are still not seeing the hidden agenda behind it, then I don't know what to say. Go to 99bitcoins.com, for example, and you will say that time and time again since 11 years, you are seeing these bad news breaking. All the time, they need red selling volume. They need the volume in the market to satisfy the institutional demand on the OTC desk. And I'm not just saying that because the price is going down. You remember when we were at the 50 to 64,000 US dollar areas, I told you about friends of mine in the OTC markets, which were telling me firsthand that there's no volume, that the OTC market is drying out. These events are needed to satisfy the demands from the institutions. And I'm not saying that we are not going to go lower or whatever. This is almost unpredictable in these fearful times. I'm just telling you, the most reasonable thing right now, where everyone is getting fearful, is for you to be greedy. When everyone is greedy, we should get a little bit more cautious and also maybe fearful. Let me know what you think about that. I just wanted to tell you guys, you will probably see a bunch of bad news here coming in the next few days. At least question them. At least take a few different sources of information into consideration before you are judging too quickly about Bitcoin. Don't forget that the fundamental values did not change. The hash rate keeps increasing. I will talk about that in a later video. The number of addresses using Bitcoin keeps increasing. And there is no evidence whatsoever that even institutions are going off Bitcoin, besides maybe Tesla not accepting it anymore. He already actually admitted, he was just trolling us a little bit, that Tesla didn't even sell any of these Bitcoin. Let me know what you think about that. That was an emergency video because I don't want you guys to be manipulated. Make sure you smash up the like button until a new all-time high. I will come to you with the next video of MMCrypto very, very soon. And if you are new to the MMCrypto channel, MMCrypto family, what are you waiting for? Scroll down and press the subscription button. And next to the subscription button, this is the most important part. Press the bell and press on all to make sure that you are not a victim to the YouTube algorithm, that you are deciding when you are seeing these videos. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. I truly appreciate you guys. You know that I'm telling it to you every single day, whether the price goes up or down. You are my Crypto family. I truly love it. Every single morning I'm waking up. You are my life purpose, and you are the reason why I'm having a smile on my face even though the price is going down. Thank you so much for watching us, and really soon very soon in the next one of Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.